Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, multiples and factors. In this chapter our topics are factors, highest common factor and some examples. In our previous video we already learned what is factors. Let's solve some more questions to understand factors in a better way. Let's solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 2 and dash are the factors of 14. What we have to write in blanks? The answer is 7. Question number 2. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. Dash and 8 are the factors of 24. What we have to write in blanks? The answer is 3. Question number 3. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. 5 and 7 are the factors of dash and the answer is 35. Let's solve the next question. Write all the factors of the following numbers. How to find all the factors of 28? First we write 28 as a product of two numbers. We have to think of all the possible combination of 28. Remember, when listing factors, always start with 1 and number itself. So 28 can be written as 1 multiplied by 28 is equal to 28. Then we move on the 2. Is 28 divisible by 2? Yes, the product can be written as 2 multiplied by 14 is equal to 28. Is 28 divisible by 3? No, it is not. So leave them. Take the next number 4. 24 is divisible by 4? Yes. And the product can be written as 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. Then move on 5. Is 28 divisible by 5? No, it is not. So leave them. Take the next number 6. Is 28 divisible by 6? No, it is not. So leave them also. Then we move on 7, which is already covered here. When we know that we had covered all the possible product of two numbers, so the factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Let's try to find the factors of 45. We have to think of all the possible combination of 45. If we listing factors, always start with 1 and number itself. So 45 can be written as 1 multiplied by 45 is equal to 45. Take the next number 2. Is 45 completely divisible by 2? No, it is not. So leave them. Take the next number 3. Is 45 completely divisible by 3? Yes. If you have any doubt, divide and check. The quotient is equal to 15 and remainder is equal to 0. So the product can be written as 3 multiply 15 is equal to 45. Then we move on 4. Is 45 completely divisible by 4? No, it is not. So leave them. Then take 5. Is 45 completely divisible by 5? Yes, the product can be written as 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. Then we move on 6. Is 45 completely divisible by 6? No. So leave them. Then take 7. Is 45 completely divisible by 7? No. So leave them. Then take 8. 45 is completely divisible by 8? No. So leave them. Then we move on 9, which is already covered here. When we know that we had covered all possible product of two numbers. So stop here. So write down all the factors of 45 in ascending order. So the factors of 45 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Let's try to find the factors of 35. It is very simple. Write the number as a product of two numbers. We have to think of all the possible combination of 35. If you listing factors, always start with 1 and number itself. So 35 can be written as 1 multiplied by 35 is equal to 35. Is 35 completely divisible by 2? No, it is not. Solve them. Take the next number 3. Is 35 completely divisible by 3? No, it is not. Solve them. Then take 4. Is 35 completely divisible by 4? No, it is not. Solve 4 also. Then take 5. Is 35 completely divisible by 5? Yes. So the product can be written as 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Take the next number 6. Is 35 completely divisible by 6? No, it is not. Solve them. Then we move on the 7, which is already covered here. When we know that we had covered all the possible product of two numbers. The numbers covered are in U shape and all these numbers are the factors of 35. So the factors of 35 is equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35. Question number D. Let's try to find all the factors of 60. We have to think of all the possible combination of 60. Everyone know if we listing factors always start with 1 and number itself. So 60 can be written as 1 multiplied by 60 is equal to 60. 60 is completely divisible by 2 also. So the product can be written as 2 multiplied by 30 is equal to 60. 60 is completely divisible by 3 also. So product can be written as 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60. 60 is completely divisible by 4 also. So the product can be written as 4 multiplied by 15 is equal to 60. 60 is completely divisible by 5 also. So the product can be written as 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60. Next, 60 is completely divisible by 6 also. So the product can be written as 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. But 60 is not divisible by 7, 8 and 9. So leave them. And then we move on 10, which is already come here. So the factors of 60 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Let's take the next question. Find the factors of 71. Think all the possible combination of 71. Always start listing the factors with 1 and number itself. So 71 can be written as 1 multiplied by 71 is equal to 71. But 71 is not divisible by any number other than 1 and 71. So the factors of 71 is equal to 1 and 71. Let's take the next question. Find all the factors of 96. Now we have to think of all possible combination of 96. First start with 1. 1 multiplied by 96 is equal to 96. It can also be written as 2 multiplied by 48 is equal to 96. It can also be written as 3 multiplied by 32 is equal to 96. Wait, it can be written as 4 multiplied by 24 is equal to 96. Are any more combination? Yes, it can be written as 6 multiplied by 16 is equal to 96. And it can also be written as 8 multiplied by 12 is equal to 96. That's it. There is no other product of two numbers that would be result is 96. So the factors of 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96. Hope you understand how to find the factors. Let us learn about the highest common factor, or you can call it HCF2. What is HCF? Let us understand the meaning of the term common factors. When two or more numbers have the same numbers as their factors, those factors are said to be common factors. Now let us see what do we mean by the highest common factor. The highest or greatest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest number that is a factor of those numbers. To understand it in a better way, let's solve some examples. Find the HCF of the following. Question number 8, 20 and 30. Everyone know how we will find out the factors. So first find out the factors of 20 like this. Then find out the factors of 30 like this. Step 1. Factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Step 2. Find out the common factor. So common factors of 20 and 30 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Step 3. Find out the HCF. So HCF of 20 and 30 is equal to 10. Let's solve the next question. Question number B. Find the highest common factor of 10, 16 and 23. First we will find out the factor of 10 like this. Then we will find out the factors of 16 like this. And then we will find out the factors of 23 like this. Step 1. Factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And factors of 23 is equal to 1 and 23 only. Step 2. Find the common factor. So common factors of 10, 16 and 23 is equal to 1. Step 3. Find the HCF. So HCF of 10, 16 and 23 is equal to 1. Let's solve the next question. Question number C. Find the HCF of 20, 30 and 40. Everyone know how we will find out the factors. So first we will find out the factors of 20 like this. Then we will find out the factors of 30 like this. And then we will find out the factors of 40 like this. Always write the factors in ascending order. Step 1. First we will write all the factors of 20, 30 and 40. So factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Factors of 40 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Step 2. Then we will find out the common factors. So common factors of 20, 30 and 40 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Step 3. Then we will find out the HCF of 20, 30 and 40. So highest common factor of 20, 30 and 40 is equal to 10. Let's solve the next question. Question number D. Find the HCF of 10, 16 and 23. First we will find out the factors of 10 like this. Then we will find out the factors of 16 like this. And then we will find out the factors of 23 like this. So the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And factors of 23 is equal to 1 and 23 only. Let's find the common factors. So the common factors of 10, 16 and 23 is equal to 1 only. And the HCF of 10, 16 and 23 is equal to 1. Let's solve one more question. Question number E. Find the HCF of 8, 24 and 36. First we will write the factors of 8 like this. Then we will write the factors of 24 like this. And then we will write the factors of 36 like this. Then we will write all the factors in ascending order like this. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Then we will find out the common factors. So common factors of 8, 24 and 36 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. Then we will find out the HCF. So highest common factor of 8, 24 and 36 is equal to 4. For the last question, question number F, find the HCF of 5, 25 and 35. First we will write the factors of 5 like this. Then we will write the factors of 25 like this. And then we will write the factors of 35 like this. So factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5. Then factors of 25 is equal to 1, 5 and 25. And the factors of 35 is equal to 1, 5, 7 and 35. Then we will find out the common factors. So common factors of 5, 25 and 35 is equal to 1 and 5. Then we will find out the HCF. So highest common factor of 5, 25 and 35 is equal to 5. Students, practice is the best way to make sure you really understand. The more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. Thank you. Have a nice day.